Oh, hey, everybody. So, in today's world, do you feel like you're always racing against the clock? I sure do. To-do lists, commitments, social obligations, the notifications that are constantly coming up on our phone, computers, all the things. It's really easy to forget about the most important person in our lives. Can you guess who that might be? It's ourselves. It's you, right? You are the most important person in your life. I am the most important person in my life. Yeah, you heard me. So if you have been going a million miles an hour, it might be time to hit the brakes and carve out some much needed me time. What do you think? So today I'm going to tell you how to make space for you. And so why is it important? Why is me time important? Well, taking time for yourself is not just a luxury. It is a necessity. Because here's what happens. When we neglect our own needs, stress accumulates and it shows up in our body, in our mind, in our health, leading to burnout and fatigue. On the other hand, making space for relaxation allows us to recharge, refocus, and reconnect with ourselves. And it's essential for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being so that when we're at our best, we can be our best for those around us and those that we're taking care of. So I'm going to walk you through how I created a relaxation ritual and thinking, you might get ideas from this as well. Um, huh. Finding time to relax does not have to be complicated. I was making it complicated. Of course I was. And recently I have figured out how to just uncomplicate it so I get to do it. So today I'm going to share with you one simple way to guarantee you enjoy relaxation in your day. Are you ready? So commit to doing just one ritual a day. If it's lighting a candle, if it's taking a shower with some really good smelling body wash, whatever it is, commit to doing one ritual a day and do it badly. Yeah, you heard me, do it badly. In other words, it does not have to be perfect, just do it. I found myself getting stuck in this perfection trap. And I'm going to use myself as an example here. I first learned about this item from a client of mine who has gorgeous skin, not a wrinkle on her face. And I'm like, all right, well, what is your secret? And she said she does two things daily. She uses a face roller and a gua sha. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that right. So I've seen the face rollers. I had seen these, and oftentimes I'd seen them in jade. This is rose quartz. And from what I understand about rose quartz, it's healing, loving energy. Beautiful. And this is the gua sha. Isn't it awesome that it's like heart-shaped? Huh, I don't think that's any coincidence. Heart-shaped, rose quartz, love, light, all the things. So I did some research, found these things. Nice little carrying case. And I will share the link so you can take a look at that yourself. By the way, this is an Amazon site. I am an Amazon associate, and I may earn a small commission if you use my links. And if you do, I am so thankful that you have done that. Thank you so much. So back to these two things, the roller and the gua sha. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry. So I had to watch a YouTube video to figure out, well, how to use both because I had no idea. But when I used them for the first time, I noticed I felt calm and I felt loved. And then I got busy and let that ritual fall by the wayside. Can you identify with that? And I noticed that I was giving myself grief and I was kind of beating myself up for not using the face roller or the gua sha. What good was that doing me? None at all. And so I decided to give myself grace and just jump in and do it. If I use the roller, great. If I use both the roller and the gua sha at the same time, that's awesome. I let go of my idea of having to do it perfectly. And if I don't do all the rolls that the YouTube video I watched walks you through, like that's perfectly fine. So what type of self-care rituals would you like to indulge in? Get curious about that. And I noticed something when I used the face roller and the gua sha. It gave me a sense of calm. Could it be the rose quartz? Maybe. Could it be that I allowed myself to slow down? Very possibly. What do you think you might notice when you slow down? Life can be overwhelming, but taking time for yourself is essential for maintaining balance. Remember, you deserve it. You are worthy of taking time and slowing down. Embrace the beauty of me time. So let me know in the comments, what self-care ritual or tool do you think you might indulge in? All right, I will see you next time. Bye.